afternoon, children. How are you all? Okay, today activity. Today we are doing clapping word activity. Are you ready? Okay. When I will say one word, you should not clap. When I will say sentence, you should clap. Are you ready? Okay. E. No clapping. Very good. Elephant. No clapping. Very good. I love mango. Very good. I love orange. Very good. I love pineapple. Good job. A. This is not a sentence, right? I love grapes. Very good. I love my family. Very good. Good job. Well done.